So whenever these couples get married, that barrier has not been broken, and the chances of them having sickle cell child is very possible because genotype or sickle cell disease is something that can be inherited, and it's something that you don't know when you pass that genes because it's something that has been controlled in it, that is internally into the person. It's not something that you can control often. So what I would advise them is you shouldn't go forward because going forward to engage and get married to these girls, there are high chance of them having sickle cell child, and that sickle cell child will be having a lot of issues that has to do with his cells because sickle cell disease specifically affects the red blood cell, which is one of the cells of the blood that is responsible for the transportation of oxygen because it has what we call hemoglobin, and this hemoglobin it aids in the translation of oxygen that we inhale. And what is being affected is how red blood cell is being formed. That is the structure of the red blood cell. Normally, red blood cell is non-nucleated and is like a disc in shape. So the sickle cell disease patient, the shape of that red blood cells has been affected, and when it isn't affected, definitely the capacity of how that red blood cell transport oxygen into our tissue will be affected too, and therefore even the lifespan of red blood cell in a normal healthy individual, you see a red blood cell will take up to 121 days before it later died. But for sickle cell disease patient is something different because their red blood cell will not reach up to that days. Sometimes 50 days, 70 days, even less than that, it will die. Because so that is why they will be having a crisis of what we call sickle cell anemia because they won't be having sufficient blood for the circulation in the body.